Welcome to my living room. As you all know, it is lockdown, and because of that, my brother and I have not been able to be in our garage very often. Sorry about that for this horrible update. I know that you want to see the car started. Believe me, I do too. Problem was when we first swapped the engine and we tried to turn it over. It's just cranking, nothing's happening. We diagnosed a few things. Everything seems to be good, except the spark. We checked the ignition coil, and our reading said that thing failed. We bought a new ignition coil, went to the junkyard to get it.
I think it's just bust for whatever reason.
Okay, it's broken, right?
Broken.
Okay, you don't have to get too technical. In any case, we think we found one.
What's up?
So let's give him a call, huh?
Let's do it.
Hey, we got the stuff, man.
We do. It's actually from a 4G9,
Yeah,
but they're almost similar. I've understood a lot of it's interchangeable.
yeah.
We'll see, right?
Have to improvise, Joachim.
Of course. You can't get Malaysian cars in Holland. Can't get it to start. Crank. No start. Okay, bit strange. So it's getting a bit more complicated. So we tried a few other things in regards to the electrics, but we can't get it to start. I'm trying to figure out why this doesn't start. Stupid fucking wires. Overal. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Something we have noticed in the dashboard sometimes when we try to start it, or when we're playing around with the lights, the wipers, or any of the other electrics, we have been noticing that the instruments are kind of fluttering around. Those kind of things, it all seems to be failing, like more and more electrics seem to be failing. The next time what we're going to do, we're going to strip the car and we're going to check all the wiring and all the grounds, because we think there's the problem somewhere there. So enjoy the rest of the lockdown. Sorry that the car has not started as we promised in the previous episode, but hey, we'll get started, and then we'll get it on the ring as soon as we can, and as soon as the lockdown is over here. So enjoy the rest of the lockdown. Sorry that the car has not started as we promised in the previous episode, but hey, we'll get it on the ring as soon as we can, and as soon as the lockdown is over here. But until then, enjoy, and I will do the same here in my living room, or try to.
Hello. Nice that you guys have joined me. As a consequence of the corona pandemic, we really haven't been able to do much at all. We really want to get that engine started, but we just can't at the moment. So that's why instead, what we're going to do with this video, what we're trying to accomplish, is to let you guys in on the project and what it is we want to do. What we want to do with the car, what we want it to look. And and if you followed us on our Instagram, then you'll be a bit familiar that we're going to drop a spoiler today. Before I keep going, I need a... Saya suka pia. We got in contact via Instagram. I made a post that I was looking for some parts for the car. And they're very, very specific parts that I was looking for. So someone got back to me. He's a legend. His name is Faiz. The link I will pop down in the info. And he said that his uncle had these parts at his disposal. And he actually sent us the parts. So without further ado, here's what we got.
So we spotted something.
Yeah, FedEx. Faiz.
This is Faiz's package?
Yeah, man. It's Faiz.
It is?
It's probably Faiz.
Ha! Dude, that'd be great if that's actually us.
Dude, that is us.
Let's see if it actually stops at the house.
It will stop down the road, but
Dude, it's us. This is the package.
Yeah.
All the way from Penang.
Yeah.
What's that? That's our package.
This is basically the inspiration behind our project. This is the only reason I wanted to buy a Proton.
Well, I could think of more reasons.
Yeah, but Faiz, you're a legend.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Faiz.
Oh, it's packaged like a pro. Oh, and also thank you to Faiz's friend at FedEx for the nice discount. Thank you, man.
Yes, what's in the box?
Nothing, no.
No, come on. Is it a Ramley?
I think.
What is?
This,
I think I know what this is.
I think this is the one we really wanted.
Yep.
Oh wow, this is really well done.
Maybe you should use the tongs again.
No.
What is this project all about? Let's show them. That's it? Oh, yes.
We're gonna make
Oh, that fits.
a rig taxi.
Yes.
It's good, huh?
That's great. What else do we have?
I think I know what this is. Dude!
What?
Yes, we got the sticker.
Dude, this is turning into a proper Malaysian Proton. Look at you getting in this taxi. Oh, yes. Yes. This is brilliant, man.
Nice. That is
Oh, yes.
the last piece we need.
Look at this. That's great. See that?
Oh yeah.
It's a taxi meter.
Yeah,
A
dude,
Malaysian taxi.
we're so official.
This is really this. I remember this driving in Kuala Lumpur, always in the taxis like this.
Now we can role play and be our own taxi.
Oh, dude, it's brilliant. Ringgit.
I just realized we're wearing the same shirts.
Oh shit, I guess we are.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. We're gonna make a ring taxi out of this. It's not gonna be the kind of ring taxi where we will take people for a charge around the ring. That's not what we're doing. We wanted to put a fun little play on the idea of having a ring taxi by actually making the Proton look like a Malaysian taxi, specifically one from Kuala Lumpur. So that's basically the idea. We're gonna fix up the car, and we're gonna make it look like a taxi in the process. And it's gonna look sick. And I hope everyone's getting excited, as excited as I am about this build. I think it's gonna be amazing. That's it. So enjoy. Stay tuned. Next month we'll hopefully have videos of all the other goodies that we're gonna put on this car. And I hope by then we're going to pretty much have a functioning and driving car so that we can do everything possible. Because, keep this in your calendar, 3 July 2020 is the first lap of the first ever Proton Wira on the Nürburgring. Stay tuned. Selamat tinggal. Bagus. Sedap.
Hey, hey.